Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to add roots. Okay. So how do we do this is basically we try to find these squares. If we find a perfect square and a multiple of some other number, then we try to split it and then we add it. Okay. So let me just show you with an example. Okay, so here if we have root 16 plus root 9, now both of them are perfect square. So in such a case you don't need to worry. Root 16 is what? 4, and root of 9 is what? 3. So you just add them, you are going to get what? 7. Here we have root 5. Now root 5, we know root 5 will remain as it is because root 5 is not a perfect square. But root 20 can be written as what? 4 into 5. Okay, now you can take out of these two, I can take the 4 outside the root. Okay, because they are getting multiplied, so this will remain as it is, root 5 plus 2 root 5. Now please understand, this root 5 has a coefficient of 1. Since it's 1, we don't normally write it. So final answer will now become what? 1 plus 2, that gets you 3 root 5. Okay, please understand, when you have something like this, you have to always remember that the same square roots can add or subtract the coefficient. But in case if you had different square roots, then in that case you cannot do the addition or subtraction. Okay, very quickly let's look at root 50 plus root of 18. Okay, so root 50 can be written as what? Root 25 into 2, and root 18 can be written as what? 9 into 2. So splitting, root 25 is what? 5 root 2, and root of 9 is nothing but 3, and then root 2 will remain as it is. So adding the two coefficients, because the root is same, so now final answer will be what? 8 root 2. Okay, so let's look at few more and look at a scenario where you can't add the roots. Okay, so students, before going ahead, I would like to remind all of y'all that if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, don't forget, at the end I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. So here we have what? Root 12. Root 12 can be written as what? 4 into 3, plus root 28 can be written again as what? 4 into 7. So this then becomes 2 root 3 plus 2 root 7. Now understand, you cannot add them and make it 4. Okay, 2 plus 2 make it 4. Why? Because the roots are different. In case the root was same, then you could have added. So maximum here you can do is just take 2 outside and you will write this as it is. That's the only simplification which can be done for this particular sum. So now root 5 over here can, sorry, root 25 can be written directly as what? 5 plus 27 is nothing but what? 9 into 3. So this can be written as 5 plus 3 root 3. Now in this case there is nothing common, so this is your final answer. Okay, very quickly let's look at one more. So this is what? 25 into 3, and this is what? 16 into 3. See, understand, you have to make sure that whenever you're splitting, it is best to write this in the form of factors. But since now I have been doing this for quite some time, and looking at the number only I can judge it, I can do it. Okay, but if you can't, then please do the factor method and then write down. Okay, so with that method, it is 100% guarantee that you will not make a mistake. So your root 25 is nothing but what? 5 root 3 plus 16 root, 16 to 3 can be written as what? 4 root 3 is equals to 9 root 3. For those of you all who got confused, who do not know how to do factor method, I'll just show you over here. So 48, you will do this as what? 2, 24. Again 2, you will get 12. Again 2, you will get 6. Again 2, you will get 3. Then 3 and 1. So now 48 can be written as what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is nothing but what, 2 raised to 4 into 3. Now square root of 48 can now be written as what? Square root of 2 raised to 4 into 3. So you can take 2 raised to 4 outside and becomes 2 raised to 2 into root 3. That gets you 4 root 3. So I hope now I have made myself very clear. Coming to your DIY, I want you all to tell me what is the value of root 63 plus root 28. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.